Third pass, new props, new batteries. Just learning to drive it with the CG really far forward. Blew it over once, don't want to blow it over again, so just learning it.
It's also with a rooster tail, I can't tell what.
Yeah. Let's say wait for these ripples right here that just.
Far enough, that way, you think? I'm gonna bring it in closer.
You can go that way a little more if you can see it.
Kind of having a hard time.
Okay, then just stay where you're at. That's plenty of room. I would wait for these ripples right here in front of us, though. It won't hurt if sit down there. Shit, I gotta wear glasses to see my shit that far. With glasses on, I see that thing like Superman. Yeah, see, like you don't want to. You're gonna pass these ripples that are in front of us at speed, so don't want to be nothing crazy. Yeah, you're good. Roll on with it.
Already?
Yeah. If it looks flighty, just ease out of it. Lift.
That was bad.
No, it landed. We landed upright though.
Dang it, I went full for a second. I should have gone.
Did you hear me telling you to lift? You could see it was getting there. It was sliding. It's all right.
Why is it still driving?
Because it landed upright.
I mean, like, there's no way I didn't damage the boat.
I don't know, dude. That is nothing for a flip, bro.
Really?
Oh no, that's nothing.
It's weird.